How to start designing a space? What steps should I follow to transform a room? How can I design my dream house? These are some of the most common questions that I receive. So in this video, I will share with you 5 steps to design your dream space. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zahira Cury, architect and interior designer, founder of D.Signers. I want to invite you to subscribe to join our design community and to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss out on our next videos. In this video, I will share with you the creative process step by step that will help you organize your ideas to define your goals, style, and to be able to achieve a cohesive space adapted to your needs. I will show you how to choose the style, how to get inspired, ideas and tools to define the layout of the space, and so on. Are you ready? Let's get started. The real meaning and purpose of design is to change and improve our life quality throughout both beauty and functionality. The first step that designers normally carry out when starting a project is to meet our clients in order to interpret their personalities and their true needs and dreams. Although we are designing a personal space, we must begin from the same starting point, identifying our needs and dreams. Asking ourselves is the starting point to finding solutions. But don't focus only on beauty. Also think about function. Ask yourself and identify the things you want to change or improve, so you can find the solutions that you are really looking for. Some of these questions could be: what is the purpose of this renovation? How do I want to feel in this space? Who uses this space? What do I want to improve? What activities do I do in this space? What is my budget? The answer to all these questions lets you identify your priorities, and it will provide the key things that you need to do to achieve your final goal. It will also help at the time of making choices, because you will clearly know what is the purpose of the renovation. At this step, we should identify our needs and how we must solve them. The second step is define your style. Defining what we like and what identifies us is crucial, since it will serve as a guide in all steps of the process. It will help us make the right decisions to achieve a harmonious composition. A great tip to define your style is making an inspiration board. A mood board or inspiration board is a mix of images, illustrations, colors, textures, patterns, or anything that inspires you that will define your project. Making a mood board helps to get inside our heads and explore our creativity as they show what we're feeling towards a creative idea. And it's a way to reveal our vision. There are many ways to make a mood board. You can use Photoshop. Personally, it is the one I like to use, but there are also very friendly and easy to use applications such as Canva, which allows you to diagram all your images. This way you can create your mood board in just minutes. I will leave you the links in the description box below of all the apps that I use. And obviously, you can also make your mood board physically by printing the images and pasting them onto paper or cardboard. You can be inspired by the colors of nature to define your color palette. You can include textures, reference projects, specific pieces of decoration, materials, landscapes, or any other thing that you understand defines your style. It will be easier to make choices when it's time to shop because you already have your goal visualized. Remember that it will guide you in all the process until achieving your goal. it is necessary to establish the scope of our project. Be realistic with the numbers and don't forget to include the project supplies, materials, installation cost, transportation cost, and the little things that add up. My recommendation is to organize step by step the things that you have to do to complete the entire renovation. Be very specific and don't forget any details so that you can have a budget as accurately as possible. And remember to leave a little wiggle room in the budget to help with unexpected and additional expenses. Know your budget and evaluate the priorities. Think and invest in things that generate a real change in your space, while taking into account the final appearance. Remember that everything is a process, and you can go at your own pace according to your possibilities. Once you know your needs, style, and budget very well, you are ready to plan your space. The next step is to plan a layout according to all your needs. Start choosing the color of the walls, the materials for flooring, the design of the ceilings. We must do the lighting plan and everything that includes the general aspects of the space. By the way, I have some videos on how to choose flooring, how to choose colors, how to combine colors, how to design the lighting plan, and other topics. I will leave you the links in the description box below in case you want to get more detailed information about it. Also, in this step, it will be time to position our furniture and make our floor plan according to the needs that we have already defined. It's important to take precise measurements of the space and distribute our furniture to define the specific dimensions of each element that we need to buy, such as sofas, tables, racks, and so on. Remember to take into account the circulation space to be able to move freely and comfortably in the room. Take your time and diagram your space, making sure you have a result that suits what you need. I know that maybe some of you are not familiar with any professional design software. It's true that it facilitates this process, but this is not essential to achieve an excellent result. So don't worry, because you can do it in a sketch by hand. The key here is to take precise measurements to know the detailed dimensions of what we need to buy to load our space. We are almost ready. We have the style, the needs, the defined budget. We have the layout of our space. We know what furniture we need with its specific dimensions. And now, what? Well, time to buy it and find the pieces that adapt to the plan we have. But before taking this last step, it is good to take samples of the paint colors that we have chosen, take samples of the flooring, of the fabrics, patterns, any other type of detail or materials to visualize everything together within the space what we are working on. Taking samples before making the final decisions is very important because it allows us to see everything together in real space, taking into account the natural light of the space at different times of the day. As we know, our perception of material or color can be different depending on the lighting condition. Also, this way, if we want to make a change, we still have time to modify anything without any problem. When you are sure of your plan, feel free to start shopping because you're ready to do it. Remember that you made an entire process. All the ideas, notes, and guides are there to help. So feel sure of what you want to achieve and what you are looking for. Remember that this space is yours and it must be special for you, not for anyone else. Make sure to make a list of the online or physical stores that you have available for shopping depending on your location. Remember that you have your design board to serve as a guide. It will help you stay attached to your style, color palette, and materials when certain doubts arise. My final advice is that you should take your time to do your shopping. You don't have to buy everything together or in the same store. Sometimes it is better to buy liter by liter to visualize the pieces in the real space. Take your time and enjoy the process. So good luck and make it happen. I would like to know which of you are interested in learning more in detail about these topics. I leave a link in the description box below for you to receive more information. I hope this information was helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know in a comment below. Guys, if you liked this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to join our design community and to support this channel. And remember to follow me on Instagram for daily inspiration and to get in touch. Have a beautiful week. See you next time.